All right, so this is where we ended up last time. First of all, to add color to titles, we're going to need to use a new package. This package is called ggtext. The way ggtext works is this. We're going to convert this to HTML and use some simple HTML. What we're going to do now is we're going to add some HTML, and then we'll add some code later that will tell ggplot, hey, don't interpret this as literal text, interpret it as HTML and format it using the HTML. The next thing I want to do is I'd like to change the color of Vestal Elementary School, that text, to be orange. We're going to add a span tag, style equals, and we're going to have to do single quote here, color colon, and now I need to set the color. I can't actually use an R object here. I have to just put this in because this is going to be interpreted as HTML, and HTML wouldn't understand what RRU orange is. And then I'm going to add a close span tag like that at the end to indicate that only this should be put in that orange. Now I'm going to use the theme function here, plot title equals, and there is a special option now that comes up, element markdown. What that does, if I say, hey, plot title is element markdown, that means don't treat this as raw text. So in other words, if I just run it like that, all that span stuff is going to show up here. But if I add this plot title equals element markdown, watch what happens. Now Vestal Elementary School shows up in orange because that span tag is treated as HTML, and the BR tag here actually makes a new line.